Fussy Freda by Julia Jarman and Fred Blunt. There was a girl called Fussy Freda whose mom and dad tried hard to feed her. But it didn't matter what they cooked. Freda only shouted, "Yuck, yuck, yuck." "I don't like cabbage. I don't like beans. I don't like anything coloured green." Her mother tried and tried to feed her, but nothing she cooked suited Freda. She tried new recipes but came unstuck when Freda only shouted, "Yuck." "I don't like grapes. I don't like cherries. I don't like any kind of berries. Raw or baked or in a stew. I don't like purple, red or blue." Her father tried his best to feed her, but nothing suited Fussy Freda. He cooked her Chinese crispy duck. But Freda only shouted, "Yuck." "I don't like duck or roasted chicken. I don't like all that finger-licking." Grandma said that she would feed her. Fish and chips might tempt out Freda. With fingers crossed, Mom said, "Good luck." But Freda only shouted, "Yuck." "I don't like cod. I don't like hake. I won't eat fish. It makes me shake." Her aunt and uncle came to stay with food from their French holiday. But Freda wouldn't eat or drink. She refused it all and began to shrink. Freda got shorter and shorter and shorter. One day Father said, "Where is our daughter?" They found her playing in her doll's house, where Claus the cat thought he saw a mouse. Mother cried out, "That's Freda, Claus!" But the cat had closed his hungry jaws. Was that the end of Fussy Freda, whose parents tried and tried to feed her? Well, from the cat there came a shout, "Help! Yuck!" he yowled, and spat Freda out. "Give me something to eat," she said. What would you like?" they asked with dread. "Oh, anything," sighed Freda. "Oh, I want to eat and I want to grow." She ate saucy beans and buttered toast. She ate spaghetti. She ate a roast. She ate red cherries and rich brown stew. And Freda grew and grew and grew. And what is more, she started to cook stir-fries, sausages and crispy duck, pancakes, pizzas, pasta bake, casseroles and chocolate cake. She's writing her very own recipe book. And she never, well, hardly ever, says, "Yuck."